Hi guys, and welcome to another day in my life vlog. Predictably so, I have just finished working out. You guys know I like to kick off every single weekday morning with a good workout. I didn't do anything intense today. It was actually a rather chill morning for me. I woke up with a little bit of a bad back, so I'm going easy on myself. But there is a long list of things to do today, and as usual, I am gonna take you along with me. But before all of that, let me go take a shower because you know I need one right after I work out. And I'm back. Okay, so I'm showered and I'm changed, and it is that time of the morning that you guys are so used to seeing in my vlogs. I'm about to sit down and have breakfast, and you can roll a dice between what I'm about to have. I'm about to have poha for breakfast, my favorite, and yes, I will put my legs in the leg massager and play a little bit of Ludo as well, because that has become my lockdown life morning routine of sorts. So today I have a couple of Zoom meetings to be on later on, apart from which I also have a couple of like stories to film and stuff. I might go and meet my mom at some point later today if I can manage to do that time wise. But I'm feeling a little bit lazy today, and I know I have to do my makeup for the Zoom calls and the stories and stuff like that. So I think that after I have my breakfast, I'm gonna do like a shortcut makeup routine. I'm basically gonna show you how I do my makeup on days where I don't feel like doing my makeup, because I don't feel like doing a full face of makeup today. I just want to pay attention to like the important things on your face. I genuinely love playing with makeup, but I believe that you can use minimal makeup just to accentuate certain features. So we'll do that after I have my nashta. Okay, I am in the usual setup. You guys recognize this part of my office, my studio room, pretty well by now. So I'm about to do my makeup. I have a couple of Zoom calls to be on, and I want to tell you, because I'm always super transparent with all of you guys, that this video is sponsored by L'Oreal. I have selected myself which products I want to feature, use and talk about in today's video. These are products you guys have seen me use multiple times in my makeup tutorials as well as on Instagram, and let me quickly take you through a very minimal 4-step makeup routine, something that I do that I think is like my lazy girl makeup routine. It's my cheat day makeup routine when I just want to enhance my natural features a tad bit, because you can do that with minimal makeup as well. You don't always need full coverage makeup. You need just a couple of good products, and you need to know which parts of your face to enhance. So let's quickly do this, because I have exactly 15 minutes before my first Zoom call starts. So I'm starting out with this no makeup look with L'Oreal Paris' Infallible Full Wear Concealer. I wear this in the shade 312 Amber, and I just kind of apply it around my under eyes and on my chin for that perfect minimal look that will help me even my skin tone out, and I blend it all through. For a little bit of flush of color on my cheeks, I'm using L'Oreal Paris' Le Bara blush in the shade Be Fierce, and this is actually a really beautiful coral meets brick shade that I think works really well for my skin tone. Now this next step for me is an absolute unmissable. You guys know how much I love taking care of my lashes and glamming them up. I'm going for the L'Oreal Paris Voluminous Lash Paradise Mascara. The packaging is so luxurious. First off, I want to kind of highlight that. Apart from that, the brush has an hourglass shape that really helps you get a beautiful, voluminous, fluttery, you know, that feathered out finish that we all love on our lashes. It helps get that in literally just one coat. I'm quickly going to show you a before and after by side that you're seeing over here, between one set of lashes that has the mascara and one that doesn't. You can see how much of a difference it makes right there. This is probably so easy to use because of the bristles of the brush of this mascara that have over 200 bristles as compared to the usual kinds that I think have about 100. I also especially want to say that this mascara lasts really long hours. We will do sort of a wear test on this today and see how long it lasts on my lashes and how good it looks on my lashes potentially all through the rest of the day. And it's also super hydrating and non-clumpy because it comes with castor oil, rose oil and cornflower extract in the formula. You guys know I always love good affordable finds, and this one for me just does it. I've been reaching for this so often, and it's just one of those makeup products that's made it to my holy grail list. I'm quickly finishing off this look with the Infallible liquid lipstick in the shade I Choose. So this is what the final lazy girl cheat day makeup routine looks like. It's super minimal and I'm ready to take on the day. Today there is dal, there's fish and there's roti. One of my favorite meals to have as lunch ever, by the way. It is 5 p.m. I have been between, lost track of how many calls, but basically just having some sham ki chai. I actually have not been having sham ki chai very regularly, so this is a rare one. The mascara is still going strong. Just look at how fluttery they look. I absolutely love it. We're going to keep this on for a little bit longer and see how long this fluttery, voluminous effect lasts. See you guys in a little bit. I have one more Zoom call to go for the day before I can say back up to myself. Taking a little break from all the madness. Hi G.
Hello.
What you doing?
Nothing. Okay.
You know what? Every time I bring you into the vlog, I realize that the wife controls husband's life for a day is still left to film a video on.
What? The wife controls husband's life
For a day, the video.
for life.
Liar. Absolute
Fine.
liar.
Let's
Let's-
do this next week.
Next week,
Yeah, I'm lazy today.
I have this on record. He has said he will shoot this with me next week. You're lazy. You're never lazy. I'm lazy today.
Please, you're
Today-
the opposite of lazy.
No, I'm genuinely feeling very lazy today.
Lazy is that, nibbles.
She's always sleeping. She's always lazy. I'm not lazy.
No,
I
you're
feel like
opposite of lazy.
I can be lazy sometimes.
No, never.
What do you guys think? Tell us in the comments. Do you guys think I'm lazy sometimes? Like, I think that they also see my life a lot now. I've been vlogging more than ever, especially in the I'm not lazy.
You, vlogging
I'm
more
not
than
saying
ever.
I'm not saying I'm a lazy person, but I can be very sust lazy.
No.
By the way, today I also have the lazy girl makeup on me. I said that earlier today. Shortcut किया है आज मैंने makeup में. You like it? It's like barely anything, but still. By the way, let's take that moment to. I like my lashes. See, if my lashes looked like this every other day, I would never need false lashes, basically. I wish my lashes looked like this naturally. And then I would add the Lash Paradise mascara and then they would just be like,
I like your lashes.
you like my lashes too?
I like your lashes.
That's so cute. I'm going back to work.
Okay.
Okay, we sound like birds, bye. Look at this lazy. She's the real lazy girl in our lives. Actually, Jerry. Hi guys. Well, it's time to actually say bye guys. We have come to the end of this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching today's vlog. It was a little bit of work, a little bit of chill, a whole lot of Zoom calls and editing videos, I guess, which has become part of my lockdown life. Let's quickly give you a close-up into what the lashes are looking like right now. I'm also going to go ahead and put the timestamps of when I applied the lashes to right now so that you get an idea of how long these have lasted. Please make sure to actually take your makeup off correctly before you go to sleep at night. That's as important as wearing your makeup. Today's WebFam comment shout out goes to Rohini Mali. Guys, thank you so much for always talking to me in the comments. You know, say it with me. I'm always liking, reading, hearting, and responding to all of your comments. So keep them coming down below because I love talking to you guys over there. And of course, turn those bell notifications on and please like this video. That helps my channel become more discoverable. I'm gonna go ahead and link all of the products used in today's Lazy Girl makeup routine down below in the info box, so make sure you guys give that a look. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next one. Mwah. I love you. Bye guys.